Today, I'm going to show you how to delete all emails from one sender in Outlook. This is a really useful skill if you're trying to declutter your inbox or remove promotional emails from a specific company all at once. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your messages so you can work with the most up-to-date information in your inbox. Once your email has loaded, we're going to use Outlook's search function to find all emails from a specific sender. Navigate to your search bar, which you'll find located at the top part of your screen. Click on the search field to expand it. You'll notice a drop-down arrow appear. Click on this drop-down arrow to add your search criteria. This feature allows you to filter your emails based on specific parameters, making it much easier to locate exactly what you're looking for. Now, if you're looking to delete all emails from a specific sender, you'll want to use the From field. Type in the name or email address of the sender whose emails you want to remove in the From field, then click on Search. Outlook will now index all emails from this sender and display them for you. This might take a few seconds depending on how many emails you have from that particular sender, so just be patient while Outlook processes the search. Once all the emails are displayed, you'll need to select them all before you can delete them. To do this quickly, press the Control key on your keyboard, then press A. This keyboard shortcut selects all the emails that appear in your search results. You'll see all the emails highlighted, indicating they're selected and ready for deletion. Now simply press the Delete key on your keyboard, and all those emails will be moved to your Deleted Items folder. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all emails from one sender in Outlook, cleaning up your inbox and making it easier to manage your important messages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.